Ashley and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing an updated room tour. I'm moving into a new place on June 1st. I just ruined my bed. So I thought that I would show you guys how my room looks before I move out of this place and take my bed and my desk and everything with me. If you guys want to hear more about where I'm moving, you can watch my last video where I announced it. This is my childhood bedroom, so this is in my parents' house. And I'll be moving into an apartment. First of all, as you guys can see, this is my bed. I have a king-size mattress. I have on like some seafoam green sheets, and then I have this fluffy pink fur pillow. Got this one from Target. And then behind here, just to like keep my pillows up and whatnot, it's a Yogi Bow roll pillow, and I like how it looks. It's just like a nice cylinder. Makes it very uncomfortable to sleep in my bed, so usually I throw him off. Beautiful blanket that I got from Marshall's. Love the color green. My walls are a very pale shade of green. You probably can't tell. And then right behind me, actually, this is my closet. So I'll go through this in a little bit and like actually show you guys like how I organize everything. So next to my bed, I absolutely love this area. I have my beautiful Walmart lamp. This boy cost me like 11 bucks, I think. And behind him, I have a beautiful hanging plant that I stole from my sister, Amber. Plus attached to him, I have a dream catcher, which is not catching the light right now, but in the mornings, like the sunlight will hit it and it'll do like little rainbow sparkles, and it's quite a sight to behold. Back here I have these amazing fairy lights from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I really like them. They kind of make this blank wall obviously look a lot better. And then now I can show you guys what's on my nightstand. I have a bunch of like random things on my nightstand. Probably the most random is this. If you guys watch my Twitch or follow me on Instagram, you already know who this is. This is Tofu with the hair. So this is actually a pair of bangs that Amber got. It kind of blends pretty well into my hair color. Help! And then we give my little Tofu guy some hair. Everyone say hi, Tofu with the hair. Hi, Tofu with the hair. Anyways, I got this sent to me by one of my viewers. It's from The Simple Stuffs, and it's like a little handmade tofu. And then underneath Tofu with the hair, I have my journal where I write in French. I put little stickers. Let me make sure I didn't write anything weird in here first, actually. Yeah, I think we're chilling. So here's an example excerpt of me writing in French. There's lots of red lines. I write it off the top of my head, and then I go back and like check it. I have little stickers, and I love to put the stickers in my journal just because like it helps me remember so much better what I did every week. But I haven't written in it since April. And then I have books down here because I love to read books. Oh, and then if you guys were wondering how I got the stickers to print out, I use, I think this is called HP Sprocket. It prints out like with adhesive on it, so I just stick them right in my journal. Then I have my little candles. My favorite candle in the whole world. This candle is from Anthropology. It's their volcano candle. It's like the scent that they use in the Anthropology store. As you can see, mine's like almost done. Then behind this, I have my 100K plaque. Ooh, there's like a leaf stuck on it. My 100K plaque that I finally got like right before I hit 1 million. So it might be a long time until I get my 1 million plaque, but I have my 100K plaque. I can't believe I actually got it. And it's like just insane. Like literally what? So that's like one of my prized possessions. Plus I just have like random mirrors back here. Rock. Plants that are dying. Oh no. He's kind of droopy. We got him off the side of the road. I try to water him once a week, but sometimes I forget. Then of course I have my phone on one of these little phone stand guys. I love these. These have improved my life tenfold, guys. And here's my phone in case you guys want to see it. You can see it's currently 4:23 on Thursday, May 27th. And here's my phone case. I love it. It's brown. Blue says my name, Ashley, in blue. Oh my god, I gotta do the YouTube hand. Yes. My phone case is from Casetify. And I'm gonna open this up. It's my current phone case collection. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see it. Here we go. These are all from Casetify. I also have like random other technology things. It's like kind of a disaster in there though, so like let's just hide it. Anyways, I do want to thank Casetify so much for partnering with me on today's video. Love Casetify cases. Literally the only cases that I ever use for my phone. I trust them with my life because I actually drop my phone probably at least 4 times a day. So their impact cases such as this one are made with Cheesecake technology, as you guys can see, which protect up to 6.6 feet, or their ultra impact cases like this one protect up to 9.8 feet. Plus, all of the cases have an antimicrobial coating, which kills 99% bacteria. If you guys want to check out Casetify, you can go to casetify.com/yourmomAshley. Go check them out and get 15% off of your order. They literally just have like the most epic stylish phone cases, so definitely go give them a look. I'm gonna close my drawer. Over here, I have my Yohibo, just a beanbag. I actually really like to sit in it to edit videos, just cause like surprisingly, actually really keeps my back up. What's behind here is more wires, plus we have some funky lights. The hair fell off of Tofu with the hair. I have this guy, which if I plug him in, Bluetooth mode. Oh, okay. Shines little lights. Then I got this bro that I saw. How to click it on. Oh my god, that looks so good. Literally, are you joking me? This looks so good right now. Why does it look so good in the camera? Holy crap, but it's like a sunset light. Yo, this looks so good. So I'm really excited to bring this guy to my, sorry, I'm like shining it in your eyes. Anyways, I'm really excited to bring this guy to my new apartment. Then I have right over here my Dune collection. My first book is like shaped like this. If you guys want to read Dune, don't buy the one that's this shape. The ones that are wider, if you can find them, so much easier to read. Here are the first 5 books. Dune is basically like a sci-fi series. I don't know how to explain it without like literally taking an hour, but basically it's about like a universe where there's a spice that's needed for like space travel, just for all kinds of different things. It's called melange, and it basically is from the planet Dune or Arrakis, and lots of things happen there and on other planets, and that is my best description of the book. Anyways, I've finished the first 5. I'm currently on the last one, which is Dune Chapter House. Maybe one day I will actually do like a YouTube video, better explain it, and like give my 2 cents on the book, you know? That's what I'm reading. I leave them by my bed in case I want to read it before I go to sleep, because that's always when I read a book. And then this is my, what is this called? This is a gardening, a watering can, a watering pail? Yeah, my mom got it for me from Target. It says, a little dirt never hurt. Then, of course, as you guys have all seen, I have a beautiful mirror right over here from Marshall's. And then behind her, I have a Bluetooth LED light thing that I paid so much money for. Literally got scammed pretty much, but it's fine. I'll actually turn it on so that you guys can see it. It's like a Govee LED light that like you can buy for $15 that was like taped to a pole, and I literally paid like $100 because I'm dense, but it's fine. That looks so nice. I should have had it on like the whole time. This is really sad. It's literally, oh crap. It's just like a pole with lights attached on it, and I stick it in the corner behind my mirror, so it just looks like my mirror is glowing and like there's not a pole behind there. But if you want to save money, just buy like Bluetooth LED lights and just like tape it on a pole. Don't pay for someone else to tape it on a pole like I did. Anyways, here I have little tiny plants. I got these guys at Whole Foods. A little perfume card, more candles, and then my fancy perfumes. Then that brings me over to this, my circle mirror from Target. Now we can turn this way and I can show you guys my lovely dresser and my desk. A mess, but like I just don't know what else to do with my stuff, so like I just let it be a mess because I just let it happen. Random gold jewelry. My favorite mascara of all time, it's the one I'm wearing right now. It's Get Big Lashes by Essence, the pink one. This hairbrush is like the best hairbrush. It's like the wet brush. It's like bendy like that. I feel like when you do it on your head, it molds to the shape of your head and it just feels so good. Headbands, earrings, necklaces. Look at these beautiful skincare products. These are my favorite. Look at how pretty they are. My insane sunscreen collection. Random like Bath & Body Works fragrance mist. Top drawer is my underwear drawer. So we have like socks, underwear. You guys don't need to look in there. This drawer we have t-shirts on one side. On this side we have shorts and skirts. This dresser is so heavy. Don't know how old it is. Ugh. But it's like really hard to close as well. Jeans drawers. Yeah, we have jeans, pants. Then this drawer, This is my exercise drawer. We got sports bras over here, random shirts, leggings, and shorts. Lots of cheerleading t-shirts are in here still. Like, this is from 2015. Cheer and Dance Extreme Finale, National Harbor, Maryland. I still have all of them for some reason. I have some gymnastics shirts in here too. Okay, anyways, over to my desk. So I have cows as my background because my brother chose those for me. I have my iPad right here, random selenite rod crystal. And I will also try to tell you guys all of like the specs and things. I'll probably have to leave it in my description because I literally don't remember, for like this and my keyboard and whatever. And look, I have and I have a ring light back here. Goes like that. I have actually a desk that can go up and down, believe it or not. And now I can also lower it. See, isn't that phenomenal? So I have a lot of trinkets over here. I have like a journal, some like random remotes, glasses, blue light glasses, a letter that one of you guys sent me that I got to reply back to, Kushin with the heart, Moshimaro from when I was a little baby. Got this beautiful RGB glorious, it's actually a wireless Model O mouse, but I keep it plugged in because I forget to charge it. So kind of defeats the purpose of it being wireless, but that's okay. Over here we have my pink chair that my boyfriend Charles gave me. Got the pink chair from Mr. Charles, plus Chris Pang, who we love, and Chris sits strapped into the chair 24/7. Give you guys a full view of the desk. Amazing cable management, guys. Like, truly amazing. Keyboard is a Steel Series keyboard, and I even had it say, "Hi, YouTube," on the side. So, hi, guys. Comment, "Hi, Ashley's keyboard," and I'll like your comment. Okay, then right underneath my desk, I have my computer, which my brother was kind enough to build for me. We have white cores, white fans. Then right here I have a beautiful like retro printer for labels. So I will use this if I'm like shipping out Depop orders, etc., which I am doing a lot right now because I'm trying to clean out my closet, so I'm selling a bunch of my clothes. So I have this little thermal printer so it doesn't use ink. When I was in college, I would go to all of my classes sitting in my pink gamer chair, and I was just chilling there with my pink gamer chair, and I literally didn't care. So good for me for doing that. Yes, okay, now I'm sure all of you guys have been dying to see my closet. When my dad was redoing our house, he like really wanted to make sure I had like a really big closet. So nice of him to build me a closet of this size. 99% of my clothes are thrifted or are from like small businesses or Depop or ThredUp. I know it looks like I have a lot of clothes, but probably most things in my closet I literally paid like $2 for because we're on those thrift store vibes. Up here I have like sweaters and sweatshirts. Over here I have sweatpants, and then it goes into sweatshirts. This is like a mix of sweaters and sweatshirts. For the most part, like it's all sweaters on this side, and I just fold them like pretty wide so that they're easy to stack. Let me show you guys in here. We have dresses. So I have some like beautiful long sleeve dresses. I don't really have a method of like how I put them in there. I just keep all my dresses back here. And then I have this little divider that just has all of my belts on it. That is my belt collection right there. After that, we have some sleeveless tops. Then here we have tank tops. Then over here we have some fancier short sleeves, and then it kind of goes into just like regular t-shirt short sleeves. After my t-shirts, I have long sleeves. So my long sleeves surprisingly are kind of color coded. So we have some white long sleeves right here, beige, green color long sleeves, brown, red, black, which then goes into blue, and then like back into red, which doesn't really make any sense, but like I have, maybe these are like collared shirts, I guess. And now if I come back over this way, then we have cardigans. I love a mini cropped cardigan. Sweatshirts, I don't know really why I keep my sweatshirts hung up. And then it goes into jackets, which is probably like the most fun part of my closet. Rhinestone bedazzled jacket, business jackets, crazy fur jacket. I literally thrifted this North Face for like $4. Going all the way into the back, just more winter jackets, just since, as you guys know, I do live in New York, so I'm always like skiing, trekking around outside in the absolute wilderness. And then down on the bottom layer, I have my bikini collection over here. This is my yoga mat. This is my bikini collection. In the back here, I just have some shorts and whatnot, shoe boxes. And then here I keep some of my shoes. Most of my shoes I actually keep downstairs, but some of them I keep up here. These are my fanciest boots that I've ever purchased in my whole life. Then I have like heels, just because I don't wear them as often, I keep them up here, but like these are so cute. Cowboy boots. Like, why do I own those? Favorite little sneakers. This guy is literally a godsend. Step on this to reach all my sweaters up there. Then we have some more random stuff. We have yarn. What's in here? Oh, these are my volleyball knee pads. Little whale, the guy that lights up, boxes. Then these are all clothes that have holes in them that I need to sew and fix. These are some exercise clothes, blah, blah, blah. And then we have like lots of like video props and things. So I have a green screen back here, this huge fluffy dress. So that's pretty much how I organize my whole closet. Okay, now I just realized that there's a couple things I forgot in like different corners of my room. So down here we have some paintings. This one is a work in progress of mine. As you guys can tell, it's supposed to be right over here. The lighting is atrocious. This is my painting from the beginning of quarantine, so like March 2020. Then this is a little dog painting that Charles made for me. I want to say this is from summer of 2017, I'm pretty sure. Let's show the other corners. Here's my small pink garbage can and my little pink slippers. Then my last corner down here, I have my little stuffed animal guys. We got Squishmallow that Charles gave to me. Snowy, I've had him since I was in 2nd grade. A blanket, and then this is my laundry basket, which is like kind of beachy style laundry basket. Oh my god. And then I'm like standing on a rug, which I didn't even mention. Wow, that's a crazy angle. Anyways, this rug, oops, is from IKEA. I had it in all of my college dorms. I don't know if I'll bring it to the new apartment. Maybe, maybe not. Okay guys, anyways, I believe that this brings me to the end of my room tour. I will of course be showing you guys my new apartment once we move there. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure to double tap the like button, double tap the subscribe button, and of course make sure to click confirm when it asks you to unsubscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!